Okay, number 6 gets into a little bit of geometry that we haven't done yet in class, but it's coming. This is showing us parallel lines, and then it also shows us some measurements in terms of variables. The first measurement is in degrees. It gives us 3x plus 10 degrees, and that, of course, is this angle right here. And then it gives us y as an unknown measurement here. Now, I'm going to be talking about a couple of rules that are true in geometry that many of you guys may not have heard before, so this is probably new stuff. So let me redraw this. We have our parallel lines, and I know it's not perfect, and then we have this line going through them, and we have this angle right here they gave us as 3x plus 10 degrees. And then we have this angle here that they gave us just as an unknown y. And the question is, express the value of y in terms of x. So, what we do know about parallel lines and a intersecting line going through them is that the angles that are opposite are equal. So this angle right here is equal to this angle. We also know that when we have a straight line being intersected by another straight line, that this angle plus this angle will equal 180 degrees. Now, there's a final theorem here that we need to know. This angle y is going to be equal to this angle here. So now, if we can connect the dots, these two angles, the 3x plus 10 and this angle here, are equal. So we know that this plus y equals 180 degrees. And that is the theorem we're going to be using to show what y equals in terms of x. So 180 degrees is going to be equal to 3x plus 10 plus y. So now we need to express the value of y in terms of x. In other words, we need to say that y equals everything else. We need to get y on the other side of the equation. Easiest way to do that is to subtract all of this, 3x plus 10. We're going to keep the parentheses around it, subtract everything here, and that gives us y alone, and we're going to subtract 3x plus 10 on both sides of the equation. So now that will give us y equals 180 minus 3x plus 10. And that is what our answer will be for this diagram, expressing the value of y in terms of x. So y equals 180 degrees minus 3x plus 10. Pretty simple, but you need to know a few of the rules of geometry where this angle equals that angle, and this angle equals that angle, and these two together equal 180 degrees. So a little bit circuitous, but I hope that helped.